Hi, my name is Marco Porras, and I'm going to talk to you about drugs, and I think that drugs are very bad to our health and to our system, because I think that drugs can damage your brain and can affect to your system. I think in a couple of years after using like marijuana or cocaine, all that kind of drugs can affect your brain, and also and can make you addict to that drug. So I think it's very bad to consume drugs because yeah, I think consuming drugs also can affect your family because they are going to suffer with you, seeing you like you are consuming and leaving your work, the school, all that things you can live, you can complicate your life, because of drugs. I think it's very bad, and yes, thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm going to talk about marijuana recreational uses. So, marijuana can be used in several forms. It is often smoked as dry, shredded green and brown mix of flowers, steam, seeds, and leaf, and it can be smoked as a cigarette, pipe, or bong, or as a blunt. So, users can become dependent or an addict to marijuana just as someone can with alcohol and tobacco. So if you're worried that someone may be using marijuana, know the signs to look for. These include the following behaviors, such as withdrawal or separation from others, depression, excessive tiredness, not careful about personal hygiene or grooming, hostility, and relations with family members and friends at work. So marijuana can be harmful in several ways. Some of these are feel right away, others damage a person's health over time. Marijuana affects short-term memory and the ability to handle difficult tasks. When using stronger types of marijuana, even simple tasks can be difficult.
Hello, I am Sofia Miranda, and I'm going to talk about the drugs. What do people think about around the world, and what is the damage they cause? First, we know about the drugs. We know what it's that. But in the Cambridge Dictionary, we found the meaning about the little word drug. Could be a medicine, could be a substance control that maybe help to the people with cancer or another kind of sickness. And we found another meaning. It is an illegal substance that it's used or taken for pleasure, or maybe someone could not stop to using it. It's very difficult, that kind of situation, when someone is so addicted to that kind of substance. And the people around the world think about two things. The first one, it is the drugs in fact are destroying the society and the young people. And the second one, the more common, it is the drugs are helping the society and the people with cancer and other sickness. But I agree with the first one. I think that it's a lot of problems because the drugs and our society it's consumed by the problems, the consequences about it. Not only for taking or consume the drugs, or not only for sell it. I think for both. Maybe there are people who do both, and so I think it is a bad situation. It is a bad problem. There is affecting all of us. In conclusion, I think it is a fact that the drugs are helping and they have benefits, but I think there is the more problems and the more negative things they have. I think it causes a lot of problems for the people who wants to get them or who wants to sell it. I think it's killing people around the world because of that. So I think it's a more bad things than good. So maybe we can do something about it. And this is what I think, that it's a fact. By the other hand, it's helping the people, but it's a little tiny percentage the advantage they have. So thank you for listening, and see you later.